Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. This is weekly video. I have covered gold, silver and crude oil in this video. I have given forecast with upcoming event in this video. So don't forget to press the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please watch full video to get the all support and resistance for next week. Let's get started. This is gold daily chart. Gold had a dramatic week last week. Let's see what happened in gold last week. This is Friday's candle, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Monday gold opened around 1986-87 and then crashed back to test 1895. Gold crashed after Fed announced that they will be hiking interest rate by 0.25%. And if you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen. Hindi version of this video is available on my Hindi channel. All links are in description. Now, once Fed announced that they will be hiking interest rate by 0.25%, gold plunged and tested around 1895. After that, Fed chairman conducted a press conference and there he revealed a dot plot. Dot plot revealed that Fed is expecting 6 to 7 hikes rather than 3 to 4 hikes this year. All members were expecting 6 to 7 hikes. So now we know that Fed will be focusing to tame the inflation rather than focusing on job market, because if they were concerned about economy or job market more than inflation, then they would have not suggested in their dot plot that they will be increasing 6 to 7 rate hikes in 2022. Now coming back to the US economy, we have been receiving mixed data. We received some industrial production and other data which are more or less mixed, but the main numbers are inflation numbers. In March, we have received inflation number around 7.9%. Inflation number didn't had discounted crude oil prices which started rising after Russia invaded Ukraine or attacked Ukraine, not invaded. So I am sure once we see April number, it would be even higher. I am expecting above 8% inflation numbers, but it could be even higher because the crude oil prices have jumped nearly 30% from February's price. Currently, it has settled around 105, but it has already tested $130. And since inflation is a big part of fuel numbers are big part of inflation numbers, I am sure we will be seeing more than 8% in April. However, one caveat, one silver lining is here. For Fed, they consider core CPI numbers which doesn't have food and fuel expenses. So we might see a little respite. Regarding inflation, Fed has said that inflation should be peak by mid 2022 and should start reversing from year end, and it should be in control by 2023. That is their assumption. They didn't have any plan, or they didn't said how they gonna control the inflation, or how inflation will just suddenly come down one day while crude oil prices are rising. Crude oil price has a very significant impact on inflation numbers because crude oil prices decide the transportation cost, which is an essential part of almost everyone living on this planet. So now in April, we'd come to know how much inflation has rises, and we'll come to know is it above 8% or even above 8.5%, because many analysts were expecting and are expecting to inflation to hit more than 8.5% in April. Coming back to the chart, gold lost nearly $60 from Monday's closing, but gained nearly $35 to $40 from lowest point of the week. Even now, gold is in positive zone because the support is still intact. Market haven't broke or even closed below support in gold. So before giving you resistance and support, let's have a look at the event and the data which are due next week and which could impact the gold prices. I will highlight only major data and all timings are Indian timings. Monday we have ECB president speech and Fed chairman speech. Tuesday we have again ECB president speech. Wednesday Bank of England governor, Fed chairman speech, and Britain will present its annual budget, new home sales number, and crude oil inventories. Thursday, we have German manufacturing and services numbers, US core and durable goods monthly numbers, unemployment claims, US manufacturing and services numbers. Friday, Britain retail sales, and pending home sales from US. These are the major events which could impact gold prices other than US, Ukraine and Russia news, of course. On war front, we don't have any significant news which could impact gold prices, but we will keep an eye on the Ukraine and Russia war news, because nowadays only Russia and Ukraine war is impacting the market and driving the gold prices as well. So keep an eye on that. One more thing, keep an eye on verified news, not on the rumors on your WhatsApp or Telegram. Usually I update verified news on my Telegram and Twitter. So make sure you follow me on Twitter and Telegram to get the verified news regarding data and any event happening in the market. Now coming back to the chart, gold closed nearly 1920. So let's have a look at resistance and support for next week. 1875, that will act as support now. If gold break and close below this range, this is the range, and gold need to close below this range. If gold break and close below this range, then expect gold to test around 1820 and 1780. However, if gold break and close above 2005, about this, then expect gold to test around 2060, and even new lifetime high is possible in gold prices. So keep an eye on gold prices, keep an eye on resistance and support. Usually I update Monday to Friday video as well, so you can check intraday videos as well. So consider subscribing this channel and click bell icon to receive regular updates. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. Silver have closed 24.96 below $25. Let's quickly recap silver. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Monday silver opened around $25.85, closed 24.96. So nearly 90 pips down from Monday's closing. Its lowest point was 24.45. So 50 pips recovery from the lowest point and nearly 90 pips down from Monday's opening. Even now silver is in positive zone. Silver still standing tall. In fact, silver is looking better than gold as of now, because there were no major news regarding Russia-Ukraine war last week. So silver is standing a little bit better. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support in silver price now. MCX weekly gold, silver, and crude oil levels have been posted in community post. You can click join button to view the levels. Now silver support at $23.40. If silver break and close below $23.40, then expect silver to test around $22 and $21. Resistance at 26.05. Above this resistance, expect silver to test around $27 and $28. Currently, gold and silver both are trading in very positive zone, so don't be mistaken by their a little bit of consolidation that they have entered in weak zone. I will keep posting videos Monday to Friday, so make sure you watch my intraday video before taking any trade, so at least you will have an idea what is the trend in market. Let's move on to oil. Oil had a very volatile session last week. Let's quickly have a look. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday it opened around 109. The lowest point is 93.70. and then bounce back to test around 106. So extremely wild move last week. Interestingly, crude oil had entered in weak zone because the last week support was $98. If you have watched my last week video, it was $98. It closed below that level and tested around $93.70. So nearly $4 move we can say below our support. Then it bounced back to test 106. Now the trend is a little bit flat. We need to break the resistance or support in order to return to either negative or positive. So let me give you the resistance and support for next week. 117.20. That is the resistance in oil now. If crude oil break and close above this resistance, then expect 120 and 128 once again. Support at $93, a very strong support. If oil break and close below this support, then expect oil to test around $90 and $85 is also possible. Currently, it is in flat zone, so trade accordingly. For paid signal service, you can send message on WhatsApp. Number is flashing on your screen. Hindi version of this video is available on my Hindi channel. You can check. Also follow me on Twitter and Telegram. All links are in description. And if you have enjoyed the video or if you find this video useful, please don't hesitate to click the like and share button. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. If you want regular video, please make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you on Monday in my Monday's video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy weekend.